What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make Super Mario 64 boobles on Android. This was suggested by Mario Gaming. I added him in one of my videos and it was actually pretty fun to use him, so I'm going to show him and everybody how to make Mario boobles on Android. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you need a Super Mario 64 ROM, which is, I'm going to leave a download link in the description to how to get it. And I'm also gonna keep the cheat codes I used in the description. So yeah, first you need that, and second you need. I suggest Nintendo 64 because that's a pretty good app. Because you know you can add textures. That's how I have the iTexture stuff and things. I just click add texture and add the text. Well, I click remove texture first and then add the texture and then press some, I think. You know, do not click reset, just click resum. Alright, but first you need to go into settings, touchscreen. And you see this? You have to turn this all the way down, but you have to remember, you have to get used to where the buttons are supposed to be. So I'm used to where my buttons are, so I know how to, you know, press A and B. I'm used to where they are. So once you got that, you need C codes, which is these these are all the cheat codes I have. I have BLJ, which is a backwards run sub cheat code, me, disable death barrier, freeze camera, freeze head, freeze time, glitchy Mario 64, Luigi Mario Gaming, no GUI, and walk through walls. And also, I turned those into cheat codes, the walk through walls and disable death barrier. I actually use a hex editor to delete those, but I turned it into a cheat code. I turned them into cheat codes because I think it would be easier, so I can turn it off and on. And now I can exit. Oh my god! And also, you need a emulator profile. You need this one, or this one. Oh yeah, to make those not lag, make the render resolution 000 x 6000 or 600, and that will not make it class. And also click on screen scaling and click on stretch, so it doesn't no black balls are in the way. And if you want to use Moons Up, go to touchscreen profile and click everything. So yeah. Now that you have all those set, if you want to have more Marios, I'm gonna put these two things in the description. These are a pink screen and a green screen. These are the only two I have. And also the pink screen is a very cool one. Oh yeah, you use this. I think it's called a plugin, but you had to use this to load a level on which I'm gonna show you in a future video. So yeah, same stuff. These are the cheat codes I have. Yeah, there we go. It's gonna take forever to put these all in the description, but I'm gonna do that soon. Make sure you have one press on, because if you want to move your character's head when the camera is frozen, I'll show you how to do that soon. And green screen has the same cheat codes. I just copied it. So yeah, this is how you actually move your head when it's locked. So get the cheat codes you want. Okay, get the cheat codes you want. But for right now, I'm gonna play as apparently a glitchy game, because this game keeps freezing. I don't know why this keeps happening. But I'm going to play as Mario Gaming. I'm also gonna show the texture things where you can do the textures. So yeah. Let's say we play the game. Let me just speed this up, because ain't nobody got time for this. Actually, we just quick start. As you can see, I remember where my buttons are. It's very laggy when I record. Sometimes I don't know why. So yeah, okay. First, so let me just go into Bubble Bathroom because I need to change the all into Wackitudes. This is why you need one press. If you one press, it'll stay click forever. So if I hold all, hear this. That's what one press does. That means you don't have to hold it. One press is what nobody hold it. It's very useful. So yeah, as you can see, Mario Gaming is running around. It's wired. Hi, Mario Gaming. Good. So yeah, if you to release it, just click the button again and it will release it. It's pretty cool. So this is how I do it. Press this, hold all, and then use the C code of the pause the thing, which is the D-pad. D-pad up. My D-pad is invisible, but press that, and then look. Now, once you move your head, see, check this out. But I did this because, let me let go of this. If you have the C code, if you have the camera pause, if you go into the camera, look, this is what I'm doing if you move your head. That's why you need all to be on. Check this out. It works perfectly. If you do the steps right anyway. The steps are this. And then you're done. Now you can move around without any problems, and which I love. So yeah, once you do this, you have to make sure in your editing software, make sure you might add a skip right on the animation. I want the animation to be right there. So yeah, make sure you do that. Then go to here, textures. Clear everyone. Clear the textures and then add a new one. That's how I do that. If you don't get what I mean, I will show you what I mean. So yeah, let's say I want to add. I'm going to add. Confused is one of the best ones I worked on. I'm not kidding. Confused was the best one I made. So yeah, click on Wii Sum, I think, and then look at this. Mario Gaming is confused. He's confused why Santa isn't real. That's the best joke I've made all day. He's not real. So yeah, once you do that, now all I have to do to add another one is to clear texture packs and then add another one. And if you do this, I'm sorry Mario Gaming, but it had to be done. I don't know why your eyes hurt. So yeah, that's how you make movies on Android. I lost it. There you go, I lost it. Okay, I'm gonna add all the secrets I have in the description too. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to know anything, if you want to know more things, I'm gonna add like videos for you to watch. They're gonna be unlisted, but they all gonna be in the description. That means if you click on them, only the people that have the link can watch unlisted videos. So I'm gonna make unlisted videos of that. So yeah, if you're confused, just tell me, and I will tell you what to do and stuff. But yeah, as I was saying, this was suggested by Mario Gaming, the character I'm playing as. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.